In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Pi-hole with Docker. We're going to set this up using Docker Desktop and Portainer, which gives you a much easier visual interface for creating the container. To begin, open the Docker Desktop app on your computer. Once Docker is running, look for extensions, open Portainer, and then click Live Connect so you can manage your Docker environment directly from the browser-style interface. After Portainer opens, go into Containers and choose Add Container. This is where we'll build the Pi-hole container from scratch. For the container name, enter Pi-hole. Then, in the image field, type Pi-hole/Pi-hole:\latest. This tells Docker to pull the newest Pi-hole image available. Next, move down to the Network Ports Configuration section and click Map Additional Port. Pi-hole needs several ports and each one has to be added separately. First, map host port 53 to container port 53 and set the protocol to TCP. Then add another entry for host port 53 to container port 53 again, but this time switch the protocol to UDP. After that, map host port 80 to container port 80 using TCP, and then map host port 443 to container port 443, also using TCP. These ports are important because they handle DNS and access to the web interface. Now scroll down to the bottom and open the Volumes tab. Click Map Additional Volume to create persistent storage, which is important so your Pi-hole settings survive container restarts or updates. For the first volume, set the container path to /etc/Pi-hole, choose volume as the type, and name it Pi-hole config. Then add a second volume with the container path /etc/dnsmask.d, also using volume type, and name that one dnsconfig. After that, go to the env or environment tab and click Add Environment Variable. For the first variable, set the name to TZ and the value to your own time zone, such as America/New York. Then add a second variable named Web Password, and for the value, enter a secure password of your choice for the Pi-hole dashboard. Make sure you use something strong and memorable, since this will protect access to the admin interface. Next, open the Capabilities tab, find nnet admin, and toggle it on. Then go to the Restart Policy tab and select Unless Stopped, which helps keep Pi-hole running automatically unless you choose to stop it yourself. Once everything is configured, click Deploy the container. Docker will create and start Pi-hole using the settings you entered. After deployment finishes, your Pi-hole container should be up and ready to use.